Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Exodus wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Coinbase on your device and log in. On your home page, tap Send or Receive. Here, select the crypto you want to send. I will be choosing Ethereum. And enter the amount to send. Next, open Exodus wallet on your device and tap Ethereum. Since each crypto has a different address, we must select the same crypto. Now tap Receive. Here, tap the copy icon to copy the Ethereum address. Then go to Coinbase again and paste the address. You can also add a note, but it is optional. When done, tap Continue. So that's how you transfer crypto from Coinbase to Exodus wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.